Hey, this is Veronica Wasek with another episode of BK Biz. How to get bookkeeping clients. We're continuing our series on how to get bookkeeping clients, and in previous videos I showed you how to identify your ideal client, and I also talked about how to identify your ideal client's biggest needs in terms of time, money, and emotion, and especially emotion, because at the end of the day, our prospective clients are feeling a lot of emotion around their financials and their numbers. So rather than talking about ourselves, we want to speak specifically to their needs. Now, today I'm showing you how you can make some changes on your website to start attracting your ideal clients. I will show you some examples of how you can take your ideal client's biggest needs and speak directly to them so that you can attract those ideal clients. Let's go over some examples. So just as a review, you should be identifying your ideal client's biggest needs in mainly three areas of focus: emotion, time, and money. Once you have identified your ideal client's biggest needs, then you want to start changing your marketing materials to speak directly to those ideal clients and the needs that you have uncovered. So that could be on your website, your social media profiles, the Find a Pro Advisor website, your service packages, your sales conversation, and even content marketing. So let's go over some examples of how you can change your website. Here's a great example from Merit Bookkeeping. It says, never worry about your bookkeeping again. I think this is a great example that's speaking to that business owner directly to their emotion of worrying, because they're staying up late at night, worrying about their financials, confused about the financials, worried that they'll get in trouble with the IRS. So this is a great phrase to capture the ideal client's attention right away. And by the way, what I'm showing you here is what we call the above the fold section of a website, which means that this is the place where a website visitor lands when they first look at the website. And they actually have about 3 seconds to make a decision as to whether or not they want to work with you, whether or not they connect with you. So you want to be able to connect with them right away with a statement like this: never worry about your bookkeeping again. Another way to connect with your ideal client is through images. So look at the image that's behind here. Somebody that looks happy, she looks content, she looks at peace, and then right away they have a call to action. Interested in our service? So you can click right away, book an appointment, give them a call, whatever that is. Here's another example from totallybooked.nyc. Focus on what you do best, we'll do the rest. So here it's talking about helping the small business owner to focus on what they do best, which is more than likely generating revenue for their business. So this is speaking to the business owner in terms of money and time. The business owner can free up their time to do what they do best, which is generate revenue for the company, which means making money for the company. So I think this is great. Look at the image. These are people celebrating. So whether that's the business owner celebrating that they don't have to worry about their financials anymore, or it's a team of financial experts that are working alongside the business owner and they're all celebrating together. It evokes an emotion, and that's exactly what you want to do on your landing page or your home page, is to evoke an emotion from your ideal client, and again, speaking specifically to them about their inner needs in terms of time, money, and emotion. Here's a great example from my friend Karen Woodman at 24-Hour Bookkeeper. And in fact, she has a video playing in the background, which unfortunately you can't see. It shows a couple of business people that are doing a happy dance. And then it says, eliminate frustration in your business. So again, talking about emotion. And also a call to action: get started. If that ideal client is making an immediate connection with you, then you should have a call to action right away: get started. So a great example again of speaking to that ideal client in a very succinct way and evoking an emotion so that they can make a connection with you. If you'd like to learn more about connecting with your client, learning how to speak directly to their needs, even uncovering what their inner needs are, I highly recommend that you check out the book, Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. This book has helped me a lot and actually helped me to clarify my marketing message. It's taken me 7 years to figure this stuff out. A lot of it has come from this book and a lot of it from my own experience, but I highly encourage you to check this out. Is this content helping you? Then make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get all of my latest videos.